Hello children, welcome to Ambuja Public School e-classes. Myself Pallavi Singhal, your maths teacher, and this is the cover page of your textbook which we are going to use. Dear children, we are going to start this video and we will be having discussion on chapter 1 large numbers. The topics covered will be recapitulation of previous concept, place value and face value, expanded form and standard form, Indian system of numeration, comparing and ordering numbers, ascending and descending order, forming largest and smallest numbers, rounding numbers, and Roman numbers. The keywords, children, that we are going to use are thousands, lakhs, place value, face value, successor, predecessor, rounding numbers, Roman numbers. We will learn to read and write 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Place value, face value, compare large numbers, form and round numbers. Learn about Roman numbers. Let us recall what we have done in class 3. Up till class 3, we have discussed digits up to 5-digit, that is 10,000. We know when we count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, we get 10 ones and we know 10 ones is equal to 110. We also know that 10 tens is equal to 100. When we count hundreds, 10 hundreds makes 1000 and 10,000 makes 10,000. So we can also write the digit in this manner. This is the pictorial representation. This is 4,000, 300, 10, 2. This is when we add all the digits, we get the numeral 4,312. This is the place value chart, and here we have represented the digits, and this is the expanded form and the digit, same digit 4,624. Same number can be written in this manner and we can find the place value and the face value. Now let us discuss about place value, face value, expanded form, standard form. So what is place value? The place value of a digit of a number depends upon its position in the number. Every digit in a number has a place value. Place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by the place of the digit. Helping the place value and finding it, we can make the place value chart. This shows that the digits are grouped into periods. This is the period of ones which has hundreds, tens, ones as one period, thousands, 10,000 as one period, lakhs as another period. The periods are separated by comma. So what number is represented by the number disk? Here it is 3 discs having 10,000 each. So this is 30,000. This is 5,000. This is 200. This is 2. We write the expanded form. This is another way of representing it, and we write the numeral as 35,202. There's another digit. The disk shows that there are 550,000. This is 200. This is 40, and this is 9. So here the digit is 50,249, clearly showing that there is no value at thousands place. So we read the number as 50,245. So let us take an example. Place the digit into the place value chart, 35,678. These are the places and these are the values. Face value, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. at whatever place it may be. It is unchangeable and definite. So for the face value, whichever the place be, but the value doesn't change, it remains the same. Expanded form is when we write the value of each digit in the number according to its place value and expressed is at as a sum of all these values. So 5 is at the lakhs place, 4 is at 10,000 place, 2 is at thousands place, this is at hundreds place, this is tens, this is ones. This is the expanded form. This is another way of representing the standard form. This is the expanded form, and here this is a 7-digit number, 14,34,257. Standard form, to make it easy to read very large number and small numbers, we read them in standard form. What is this number? Can you read it? No. Even we have to read it separately, 5 lakhs, 3, 10,000, 5,000, 2 ones. So to make it easy, we place the digits into the place value chart and write the short form of the number. This is also known as the long form. So there are 6 places. We know 2 is at the ones place, 5,000, 5 is at thousands place, 30,000 at 10,000 and lakhs. Now 2 places are vacant, so we have to show them with the symbol 0. So this is denoting that these places have no value. So the numeral is 5,35,002. Now let us discuss number up to 10 lakhs. How do we get 10 lakhs? When we start counting 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh and 10 lakh. So when we count, when 10 1 lakhs are there, we get 1 10 lakh. So this is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh, 10 lakh. This is 10 lakh. So this is Indian system of numeration. This is the period. This is the place value. Now let us have a question. Mark the period with commas, show the expanded form and write the number name of. So let us mark the commas. Periods, we always mark the periods from the right hand side. That is the ones place. So we place the digit into the place value chart. Lakhs have no values, so it is vacant. And also we have broken the period with the help of a period separator, that is comma. This is the expanded form. This is how we read the number 12,456. Another question, mark the period with commas, show the expanded form and write the number name of. So we have already marked it with commas and placed it into the place value chart. This is the period of ones, thousands, lakhs. We know these are the periods, places. This is how the expanded form takes place, and the number name 1,23,456. So 2,45,678. The numeral for it will be this. Look at the commas carefully. 37,13,946. This is the representation, numeral representation. 15,618. So this shows that there are no values at the thousands period. Now let us come to the topic successor and predecessor. So what is successor? Successor is one more than a number. So 18 plus 1 is 19. It is one more. 89, 90, 79, 80. So how do we get a successor? By adding 1 to it. Now let us come to predecessor. Predecessor is 1 less than. So when we subtract 1 from the previous number at the ones place, we get the predecessor. So this is 388. This is 5678. So predecessor, we get one less. Now let us come to comparing and ordering numbers. Steps for comparing numbers: place the digit in the place value chart, identify the smallest numeral, count the number of digits. The numeral with less than number of digits will be the smaller one. Identify the biggest numeral. The highest place with the will be the biggest numeral that has the same digits at the same place value should be compared with the next place. So this is how we arrange. We look at the digits, we see that these are in the system of numeration. So which of the number is smaller? Let us place the digits into the place value chart. Here 9 is greater than 8, here 8 is greater than 3, here 2 is greater than 4, here 5 is greater than 8 is greater than 5. So we are able to compare the digits at this place. So this is how we compare the digits and use the symbol of comparison. Look at the numbers. These are large numbers, and then which number is greatest, which number is smallest. We place it into the place value chart. Just look at the number line. We have extended number line. This is 10 lakh, this is crore, this is 10 crore. Here this has less number of digits, so this is the smaller number. Both these digits have equal numbers, but 9 is greater at the lakhs place. So we are able to get the comparison done, greatest to smallest. Let us now come to our topic, ascending and descending order. So dear children, what is ascending order? In this we go from smallest number to biggest number. Symbols used in ordering two or more than two numerals. This is the symbol for that. Descending order, in this we go from biggest number to the smallest number. Symbol used in the ordering of two or more than two numerals is this. This is the greater than symbol. So let us compare. We place the digits into the place value chart, identify the smallest number and the greatest number, and then we set the order of the numbers. Let us arrange again. So this is the place value chart. Always it is easy if we place the digits in the place value chart and then compare the digits. Look at 9 here, the comparison here. So 72,019 is the smallest numeral, 72,990 is the largest numeral. The comparison is at the tens place. So this is how we are able to set the order small to big. We can also order the numbers on the number line. Here these are all 6-digit numbers, and we know the range is the smallest is 1 lakh and the big is this one. So we are placing the digits and we find out. So it is always easy if we place the digits on the number line and get the order set. So to arrange in decreasing order or descending order, the numbers are arranged from big to small and we get the decreasing order. Now let us come to topic, forming numbers. So symbols used in ordering two or more than two digits is less than and greater than. So we will take help of those symbols to get forming numbers. The steps are: place the digits, identify the smallest digit, identify the biggest digit, arrange the digits small to big for smallest number and big to small from the biggest number. Form the greatest number with the given digits. So the digits are 2, 7, 8, 3, 8, 5, 0 and 1. So arrange the given cards from greatest to smallest. 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So by arranging the numbers in decreasing order, we get the greatest 7-digit number. Form the smallest number with the given digits. 2, 7, 3, 8, 5, 3, 6, 0. So there are 8 digit numbers and we have to form the smallest number using it. We are going to put the digits from small to big. 2, 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 was repeated twice, so we have taken it only one time. Now the numeral from, but look here we have taken 2 first and 0 as second number. The reason behind this is that if we if we put 0 in front, this will not be a 7 digit number, it will be a 6 digit number. Now let us come to rounding numbers. What are rounding numbers? Rounding numbers are the rounded value of a number. It is an approximate value and not the actual value. The symbol is this and its meaning is approximately equal to. So what are the things that we have to remember? That it is used to get estimated length, used to get estimated expenses, used to get estimated sum, difference, product and quotient. So steps of rounding numbers: read the number, identify the place to be rounded, identify the digit that is at place 1 less than the place to be rounded, compare the digit whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. When rounding off, look at the digit to the right of the rounding digit. Now, rounding off a number to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit. So if it is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round down to lower 10. So here ones place digit is 4, 4 is less than 5. So 7334 rounds off to 7330. And if it's big, it becomes 36 becomes 40. We can also round it numbers using the number line. So 1228 is nearer to 1230. Let us take a 5-digit number. So 32,473, it's towards the lower 10 and this is approximately the value is this. Round off a number to the nearest hundreds. Here we have to look at the digit which is at the tens place. Look at 3, it is less than 5, so 34 becomes 300. And here look at the digit at the tens place, it is 7, 7 is greater than 5, so 676 is 7700. On the number line, let us take the same digit 1228 to nearest 100. So 1228 is nearer to 1200 and this is the approximation. Now let us take the bigger number, round it to near 100. So this is nearer to 32,500. Rounding off a number to the nearest 1000, look at the hundreds digit. So this is how we round off the numbers, looking for the whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. Again place on the number line. So this is near to 1000. Now let us come to another topic, Roman numbers. So what are Roman numbers, dear children? Romans of Rome counted in this manner. And what is this? Roman numerals are a way of counting. But what type of numbers are Roman numbers? Have you ever seen a clock like this? Its dial has numbers from 1 to 12 written in the Roman number system. Have you seen? So there are two types of numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers, where we use 1, 2, 3 as we have been using. It was first started in India only, and the second where they use the letters. So Hindu Arabic numerals use symbols to count, and Roman numbers use letters to count. And there is no zero in Roman number system. The numbers start from 1. So Roman numbers are based on 7 following symbols. This is I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. And we can write this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what are the things that we have to remember? We can repeat numbers in Roman numbers. Repetition means addition. Letters I, X, C, M can be repeated only 3 times. On placing a smaller letter I, X, C on the left of the larger letter, it means subtraction. So let us see. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. This is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. This is 10 minus 1, 9. This is 10 plus 1 equals to 11. This one 100 minus 10 is 90. This is 100 plus 10 is 110. So writing numerals, symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. 10 can be subtracted from L and C. These are the things that we have to remember. Symbols 5, V, L and D, which are 5, 50 and 100, 500 are never repeated and subtracted. So we can convert Hindu Arabic numeral into Roman numeral, where we expand the number, and then this 5 tens means L. There is a symbol for 50. 10 means X and 2 is 2. So this is the Roman number for 62. So dear children, let's revise. We have read and written 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, understood place value and face value, compared large numbers, form and round numbers, learn about Roman numbers. So this is what we have discussed in chapter number 1. Hope you have understood it and you will be doing the sums based on it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.